Become popular on Google. Make people search for you and find you on Google. Make people find you on social media when they are looking for information. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Come. I have information for you. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to open your eyes on how you can be able to, be visible to people out there looking for one information or the other. How people can be able to find you so easily. So in this episode today, this is a part 7 of how we are growing on social media, especially on YouTube, how you can grow your views and your watch hour, and also grow your subscribers. So I'm doing a 30 days class to help everyone, and this is a part 7 of this video. Guys, let me tell you something. If you want to be searchable on social media, you want people to search for you and find you on Google or find you on YouTube search bar, you have to make relevant videos. That's number 1. Number 2, have a niche. I've talked about it before. Number 3, you have to make sure you are creating videos consistently. You have to post consistently. That is a way people can find you, because if you are not posting consistently, what are they going to search for? What are they going to see? When they search, they will not find you, because YouTube will not have enough videos to push to those people. You need to post enough videos. You need to post much videos, so that when people are searching for you or searching for the kind of content you are doing, they can be able to find you on the media. They can be able to find you on the search button. Now let me tell you something. The search bar on YouTube is mostly the place millions of people use them on daily basis. You see YouTube search bar, people go there to search how to cook egusi soup, how to grow on YouTube, how to get 4,000 watch hour, how to grow with YouTube short, how to merge outfits, how to sew this one, how to make hair, how to apply gel on my hair, how to do my eyebrow. All these things are things that people are searching for on YouTube every day. You have not heard of this secret before, but I'm telling you now. People are searching for it on daily basis. People are searching. So if you must create a content, create something that people can be able to search for every time. Like every day, people are coming on YouTube. Create content that people are searching for. Create something that will make people search for it. It's just like I'm teaching you now how to grow on YouTube in 30 days. If somebody come on YouTube and search how to grow on YouTube, YouTube will just push out my video and give them. Go to Google, search a video, or you write Gladys. They will bring out my videos for you. If I don't have videos on YouTube, how will they bring out my video? You will not see any video. But people have searched my name on YouTube, have searched my name on Google. They were able to find my videos. In fact, some of my friends were even calling me and telling me they have been seeing me online. I'm now going far online. I'm now doing, they are now seeing me online. Some of them were happy for me. They were calling me and was telling me, bless you, don't turn celebrity like this. I tell them, I'm just coming up. So if you don't have videos you can post online, how will people find you? How will they search for you? How will they see you? You need to post what will make people to find you on the search bar. So I've told you that one. Then another way you can make people find you so easily on the search bar on YouTube or on Google is putting relevant hashtags. Let's say you are doing a cooking video. You love cooking videos. That day you decided to prepare egusi soup. When you are posting your video, you see that description part, you see that caption area, put a hashtag, then you put egusi soup. Don't know if you understand what I'm saying. If you put, after you must have uploaded your video, you want to put your caption. After you must have put your caption, put hashtag. Then you now put egusi soup. You put okra soup. You put fried rice. Nigerian smoker, what is it called again? Nigerian smoky rice. You understand? You put it. Those relevant hashtags, not too much. Don't go and fool your comment section.